McCay material, freshman.
No. He's an Omega Howl guy.
Back off. We saw him first.
No way, we did.
I'll take it from here, gentlemen. Johnny Worthington, president of Roar Omega Roar. What's your name?
Jimmy Sullivan. Friends call me Sully.
This guy's a Sullivan? Who's the famous Sullivan? I can't believe it! That is crazy!
Chet, calm down. I'm sorry. Sully, any freshman with the guts to pull off a stunt like that has got Future Scarer written all over him.
Hey, did you see me ride the pig? That took guts. Slow down, Squirt. This party is for scare students only.
Oh, sorry, Killer, but you might want to hang out with someone a little more your speed. They look fun.
Oh, hey there. Want to join Who's McCappa?
We have cake.
What are you looking at?
Go crazy.
Is that a joke?
Oh, Sully, talk to your friend.
Well, he's not really my friend, but sure. You heard him. This is a party for scare students.
I am a scare student.
I mean, for scare students who actually, have a chance.
Oh, snap! My chances are just as good as yours.
You're not even in the same league with me.
Just wait, Hotshot. I'm gonna scare circles around you this year.
Oh, okay. I'd like to see that.
Oh, don't worry. You will.